You ain't tell me to do mine like that. You ain't tell me to do mine like that. I wasn't doing mine like that. That's why I chopped your head off.
YouTube, what's going on? This bike right. I'm out here at the field, about to get that field work in. Sipping on my Spark and Rehydrate. But before I get started, I wanted to share with you when I think you should change up your workouts. Before I go into that, I hope you enjoyed that arm day. And I want to tell you to interact with me on Instagram and Facebook, Mikey Wright Fitness. Snapchat, I draw right. You can email me at mikey_wright@wildmail.com. And if you would like to become a distributor for Advocare, email me. I go to my Avo link. It's in the link in the description below. Take another sip. So I feel you should change your workouts, your programming up when you either hit a plateau, maybe the program's not working, or maybe sometimes you don't need to change it up, you just need to stop it for a while. Like maybe you're one of those people that get tired of doing the same thing day in and day out. You might want to stop it for a couple days, maybe a whole week. Throw in some cardio, maybe some HIIT training, and then come back to the workout. You might want to change it up if you hit a plateau and you're not feeling the workouts no more. You're not sore. If you're not sore, I feel like you should change your workout up. Which is I'm doing now. I'm starting to change it up. I need to intensify my workouts. Maybe you don't need to change the program. Maybe you need to intensify your workout. Add more sets, add more reps, or maybe just add more weight. If you've been working your program for about 10 to 12 weeks and it worked for you but you're ready for a change, then you can change your workout up. Some programs are already built in, they're changing every week, week by week. So there's no need to change it up. Or maybe you've been doing it for a couple weeks and you just need to switch the movements around. Like say Monday you do legs, Tuesday chest and back, and Wednesday arms. Maybe the next week you do chest and arms Monday, legs Tuesday, arms Wednesday. That's how you should change your workout up. Or that's when you should change your workout up. But if it's been a week, 2-3 weeks, and you feeling the workout but you just tired of it, you just have to push on through sometimes. Like, don't just stop your program because you were in your head telling yourself that you tired of that workout. Push through it. Make it to 10 to 12 weeks. After that, if you hit a plateau, then you change it up.
Hey, yo, Willie Steve's, come out here. Come out here. How much Steve? How much Steve? How much Steve? How much Steve? How much Steve?
for my programs that I'm about to start now, it's a new program. I'm gonna be either benching, squatting, or deadlift every day. So I have to look at it again, but I do legs, I squat. No, I think I wrote it out to where I bench first and then do a leg day. That's Monday. That's day 1. Tuesday or day 2, I might have I might have chest and back that day. So I do squats first, then chest and back. The 3rd day I do deadlifts and then arms or shoulders. The 4th day is cardio and abs and stretching, and then I repeat. And I go all the way over. That's how I'm changing up my workouts, intensifying it more. But I'm about to get out here and get these sprints in. I hope y'all enjoyed that content I just gave y'all. If y'all have any other questions, feel free to contact me or give me a subject you would like me to answer for you.